Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel, and I'm here to witness the 75th Republic Day in Chennai. So parade gonna start in some time. So we are a good environment and waiting for some good pictures today. This is my first time in 15 years in Chennai to witness this parade. Let's hope for the best. Not traffic actually. Road were clear and usually it will take 20 minutes to come here by bike. However, I don't know, like there were so much of restrictions because of Republic Day, and the roads were blocked 2-3 kilometers away from the parade ground, or if you say parade road, the roads are completely blocked. So let's see. Somehow we entered inside the Marina and parked the bike. I'll show you some glimpse of the parade.
Actually, they all are ready here. So you see, all the vehicles for the parade are ready. And, they're waiting for the CM. Once the CM comes, they will start the parade. So already some rehearsals are going on. You see here, the kids are running. So rehearsals are going on. So police are advised us to not to take any photographs of rehearsals to here. And as advised, we'll move on from there now. So this is the Marina Road. There are multiple vehicles standing and waiting for the CM. So this is the group transport, some village tradition transport. We're gonna perform in front of CM today once the flag goes in stand. So now time is 7:45. I think it's gonna start in some time, I guess. So the forces are on the road. You see this. The troops have started coming to the roads. Actually, I'm not a good videographer, but I like this video now. So in this frame, the troops are coming, and if you see behind, the sun is rising. I will show a few more videos of the same frame. That the other troops come in the road. This guy stopped. Resembles some old vintage or Raja Cholan, some movies like that. I'm using my 1850 kit lens for a wide angle shot. The images will be shared at the end of this video. Please do check out those images. Even the images are posted in my Instagram page. Just go and see if you like. Do drop a feedback if you don't like, and if you want any suggestions to be shared to me. I continue to shoot here for 20 minutes now. So let's wait for some more time and capture the good frames. And after that I'll move on to capture the daily life and portraits here and there what's happening. It is amazed to see this rhythm of troops going on left, right, left. At childhood I used to see my hometown in the ground. It's good to see. Too noisy in the subway, so I'm giving a recorded voice here. There was so much of crowd, so I was unable to take any video after that. I hope you like the video. Please do subscribe if you like this type of photography vlogs. I'll meet you in the next video.